DJA TV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news. Help protect Sowore, says his lawyer. This is DJM TV Daily News Update. Barrister Tope Temokun, the lawyer to Omoyele Sowore, a human rights activist in Nigeria, has forwarded a lengthy letter to the president of the country, President Muhammadu Buhari, telling him to ensure the safety of the life and property of Omoyele Sowore. Tope said that thugs were hired by security operatives and they are planning to take the life of the human rights activist. While speaking in a letter, Temokun said that when his client appeared in court before the Court of Appeal, Abuja, for the hearing of his application challenging his stringent bail condition, his safety must be guaranteed. Barrister Tope said that there were intelligence reports that security operatives have mobilized thugs who will attack Omoyele Sowore whenever he was appearing in court to prevent him from getting access into the courtroom. In a letter, the barrister said, "We act as solicitors to Omoyele Sowore, a pro-democracy activist and social justice crusader, hereinafter referred to as our client, on whose behalf an express instruction will write this open letter to you." On Tuesday, the 21st of October 2021, when our client was at the premises of the Federal High Court in Abuja to observe and witness the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, he was attacked by some men armed with petrol bomb and some other lethal weapon who alighted with no caution from a vehicle with registration number BWR 812KM that conveyed them down to the court premises. Our client informed us that he was in the midst of the officers of the Nigerian Police Force and operatives of the Department of State Services on the premises of the Federal High Court Abuja when these suspected sponsored thugs launched the attack on him. The lawyer further said that following this event, petitions dated the 25th of October 2021 and the 29th of October 2021 were submitted to the Police Service Commission and the Inspector General of the Police on the 28th of October 2021 and 29th of October 2021 respectively, complaining about this incident and the complicity of the security agents, particularly the police officers who were present at the scene, led by one CSP Abdullahi Abubakar Hassan, who is the DPO of the Federal Secretariat Police Station, Abuja. Copies of these petitions were sent to Ambassador Mary Beth Leonard, the United States Ambassador to Nigeria, and Ambassador Ketty Karisi, the EU Ambassador to Nigeria. The letter further read that while the Police Service Commission has not responded to the petition, to our knowledge, we received an invitation from the IGPS Court Abuja on our petition that the IG has directed our petition be investigated, and on the 22nd of November 2021, we were at the office of the IGPS Court where our client, Mr. Omoyele Sowore, gave his statement to the police on the attack on him on the court premises and the complicity of the security agents that were present. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. In the letter that was written to President Muhammadu Buhari by the council to Omoyele Sowore, it further stated that while investigation on this serious matter is supposed to be ongoing or believed to be ongoing, our client briefed us on Thursday, 2nd of December 2021. Armed thugs wielding dangerous weapons attacked him on the premises of the Federal High Court Abuja and damaged his vehicle. While he narrowly escaped being assassinated by these thugs he believed were mobilized to the court by the DSS, working in collusion with some police units. The letter also said that on the 7th of December 2021, our client is to appear before the Court of Appeal Abuja for the hearing of his application challenging further his stringent bail condition, which had restricted him to Abuja since 2019. And information at our client's disposal this minute is that the security agents have mobilized thugs to be conveyed to the Court of Appeal tomorrow to attack him to prevent him from having his day in court. The letter went on to say that having exhausted all ARICA facilities of complaint against this act of barbarism and brigandage in which the DSS have kept mute despite the outcry of our client of their complicity in these serial attacks, and the police too have not come out with helpful result of their investigation, we are constrained to write to you, Mr. President, to lay before you the hashed assassinated attempts on our clients by forces enjoying the backing of the law enforcement agents under your government. We therefore call for your intervention, as silence in this case by all authorities and the presidency will lead to no other conclusion than that the attack is coming by order from above. The letter went on to say, we commit the safety of Mr. Omoyele Sowore to the hands of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria under you, Mr. President, as he pursues social justice through the courts that we all agree and believe is the last hope of the common man, and with full confidence that all forms of intimidation notwithstanding, in the fullness of time, the cause of justice shall mature and justice shall prevail. These were the words of the lawyer to the human rights activist Omoyele Sowore, claiming that there are plans to stop Omoyele Sowore from entering the Federal High Court during his court sitting on 7th of December 2021. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. So guys, there you have it. The lawyers to Omoyele Sowore are claiming that security agents are supporting thugs who attacked Sowore the last time he was in court, and they have said that should the federal government keep silent on this particular issue, it only means that the federal government is in support of the armed group. A lot of Nigerians have reacted and said that there's really no basis for the lawyers to Omoyele Sowore to be claiming that the thugs were hired by security agents or by the federal government, stating that the federal government would not be able to do a thing like that. While there are others who believe or who share the belief of the lawyer that indeed, even if it was not the security agents who hired these thugs, there are people in power who knows about these thugs and have told the security agents to stay clear of the paths of these thugs, and so as to allow them carry out their plan on Omoyele Sowore, a human rights activist in Nigeria. But guys, what do you think about this particular issue we just brought you? Drop them in the comment section below. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 247. Now do not forget, you can also place your advert here at DJMTV and be rest assured that you will get good value for your money. Now until we come your way again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update, do not forget that here at DJMTV we set the standard. Yeah.
DJN TV. DJN TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ TV. DJ